Hi folks, I'm Ben Swathwood, District Sales Manager for Keystone RV Company, Raptor Carbon Division. Today I'm standing in a Raptor 423 and we're going to show you how we took the comforts of home and implemented them into our Raptor product. All right, so now we're standing inside this Raptor 423 and I want to talk about those creature comforts that we're bringing from home into the RV. And so as we look at this kitchen, you'll notice the new interiors. This will be our Ashby Maple, and we decided to add this year this Agnos concrete countertop. In addition to that, you're gonna see your upper cabinets are white while the lowers are a little bit darker. One of the nice features with this is that you've got the soft close cabinet doors with the magnet latches. So typically what you would see is a male to female latch that always kind of pops open when you're in transit, and then the things that are inside come out. So this is gonna give you a tight latch while still having something that you would see in a residential setting in your RV. As we span down, you're gonna have the single basin stainless steel sink with the residential sprayer faucet. That's gonna be a standard on all Raptors, as well as your 30-inch convection microwave and your Furrion cooktop and oven. Now, as we span the inside of this U-shaped kitchen, you're gonna have 3 pull-out drawers, as well as 3 other doors that are gonna allow you to have storage for trash cans and any other thing that you would wanna store within that kitchen. On the outside of this U-shape here, we'll have the central vac, which again is something that you can have without having to bring a broom or a dustpan with you. So it's one less thing to forget while being able to clean the entire coach with the expendable hose. As we span across over here to the refrigerator, you now have options for your refrigerator. So this one here is gonna be your gas electric full RV refrigerator, and then there will be an option for a residential refrigerator that will come with a 2,000 watt inverter. And so that's gonna cover everything in here. Let's go look at some of the comforts of home in the living room. Okay, so now we're sitting in the Raptor 423 living room. And this is one that it's super exciting to talk about how big this living room is. This living room is bigger than Texas, and this is something where we were able to capitalize on most of the creature comforts. So as you can see here, you've got one large sofa. Every one of these seats reclines. And then in addition, you've got your 2 recliners over here that will in fact recline too. So now you're able to take advantage of a residential living room. Something that you would have in your home, you now have in your RV. Not only that, but both of these seating sections are gonna give you a clear view of the television, as well as being able to have that cross-conversational seating and a full view of the kitchen. So when you're in this living room, it's big enough to do Christmas in, it's big enough to do Thanksgiving in. Everyone that is in here is going to be able to have space and a good time. Now, when we focus on this Thomas Paine furniture, one of the things that we like to incorporate in that is the fact that you've got USB charging ports on both sides, as well as being able to have heat and massage. So 2 features that you're gonna be able to take advantage of on those colder days, as well as those days where you just wanna relax and kind of veg out. Now, you'll have that on the big one as well as the little one here. And then you're always gonna have the residential pull-down shades, which just adds an even more element of that residential setting. When we span across this way to your entertainment center, this is gonna be a full entertainment center on this Raptor 423, and every Raptor will come equipped with a 50-inch TV in the living room, as well as your fireplace that'll run off of full electric. And then within your entertainment center here, you're gonna have a radio as well as a DVD player that will also work off of 3 zones. So you'll have 1 zone for the living room, 1 zone for your outside on the campsite, and then 1 zone for the garage. Now, another thing that we want to talk about is the blade technology, and that's going to be something that will incorporate with the ACs. So be sure to watch that video so that you can be informed and be able to talk about and hear the great things that you'll have on that blade system. So now let's go up here and talk about some of these creature comforts. All right, so some additional creature comforts that you're gonna find in your home that you'll see in this Raptor. One being the handrail, and then we're gonna go over some of the things in the hallway on your control panels. And one of the things that I love talking about is the In Command from ASA. This has been an avenue where we've been able to merge technology with camping, and this allows us to camp better. So within this system, you're gonna be able to control the settings, your generator, your awnings, your slides, all of your lighting, your 2 front jacks for your hitch, as well as freshwater tank pad heaters, and your entire HVAC system. In addition to that, you can check all of your fresh, black, and gray waters, which is typically going to be something that you're going to be doing from a different component within the coach. Now you're going to be able to see those things in real time, and if you're in a place that's tight and you don't want to come inside, whether it's running your slides out or your awnings out, you can now Bluetooth your smartphone to the in command and you can walk around the entire coach while you're setting up your camper. This is one of those ways that we can take all of the comforts from home and now we're able to put them in an automation system into your RV, thus giving you a smart RV. This is going to be one of the ways that Raptor is taking innovation to a new level. Below that, you're going to have your display for your inverter, and then you're going to have basically your thermostat for your AC systems. And so because the AC systems are controlled through the in-command screen, you now will have a sensor like this in every room that is going to be able to set the tone for those 3 zones. And then this bottom setup here is going to be one of my favorite things on Raptor, is going to be your tankless water heater control system. And so now you've got an on-demand water heater that is going to allow you to take longer showers, more efficient showers, and if you are someone that either has kids or guests, now you don't have to stagger your days in showering because you have a typical RV water heater that has to recycle that water on an hourly basis. This is something that's going to make camping easier and a lot better. And so this covers that hallway area of those creature comforts. Let's go into the bedroom and wrap this up. All right, so now that we're in the bedroom on this Raptor 423, let's talk about some of those comforts of home that we've implemented into the bedroom. One of the things that I always like to talk about first is the wireless phone chargers. So in a day and age where we're becoming more technologically advanced and we're using more of our smart devices, what's easier than just laying your phone down and charging it here? These wireless phone chargers will work for both Apple and Android phones, and then any other phone that you would have that you'd want to use that with or without a case. But what is more unique to this style that we're using is the fact that we leave all of our outlets open on both sides of the bed. So now you're able to use those for any other reasons that you would want to use it for. Whether you're working with your computer and you need to charge it, or you have a CPAP machine and you want to be able to plug that in at night while you are sleeping. And another thing that we've incorporated is a residential headboard for the bedrooms on all Raptors. So you'll see this headboard as well as the pillows and the bed sheets on all of your Raptors. In addition to that, you're going to have a full storage underneath the bed that will go all the way back to the headboard. And then what we're looking at right now is a king bed. The king bed is an option. However, you will see it on most in-stock units. If you wanted to order it with a queen bed, it would come with 2 nightstands just like this. On the king, you would get that floating shelf that would still incorporate the wireless phone charger. As we pan around here behind me, this is where you're going to have your wardrobe slide. This wardrobe slide will be floor plan specific, so there are going to be some floor plans that we offer with a bed slide. This would be one with that wardrobe slide where you can see you're going to have the full wardrobe closet here with the hanger, as well as the mirror to allow you to look at yourself when you're getting dressed. And then here you're going to have a big storage compartment on the inside, as well as 3 pull-out drawers. Because it's a Raptor, you're going to have a TV in the bedroom, and that's going to be directly across from the bed. So now let's go into the bathroom and we'll finish up with those creature comforts. Okay, so now we're in the bathroom of this Raptor 423. And I want to talk about all of the creature comforts that you would find in a home are now also going to translate into this bathroom on the RV. All of the basic ones: a porcelain toilet, a linen closet, a vanity with storage above and below, a stainless steel sink. Those are all going to be things that you're going to find in this RV. You're going to have a heat vent in the floor, an AC vent in the roof, and then on all of the Raptors, you're going to have a full one-piece fiberglass shower surround. We've incorporated glass shower doors as well as a skylight to add some headroom. And then we've got a removable shower head that is going to allow you to be able to not only stand under it to take a shower, but also to be able to remove that shower head if you're just wanting to clean off your feet and or spray down a child. Within that, you're also going to have a bench, which allows for people to be able to sit if they want to shave their legs, or if you just want to take advantage of that on-demand water heater and you want to be able to sit down and just soak up all of that hot water because you can, now that's a feature that you're going to be able to do. And so that's going to cover all of those creature comforts that we're implementing into Raptor. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe so that you can camp better.